So we go to the petitioner's motion for reconsideration before the appellate court. So what was let's read the petitioner's stand. So on July 16, 1986, the petitioners moved for reconsideration of the aforecited decision, the decision of the appellate court, reiterating that the land in question was agricultural because it was possessed and cultivated as such long before its classification as timberland by the Bureau of Forestry in 1955. So this is their defense. The land in question was agricultural because it was possessed and cultivated as such long before, this is the phrase, okay, long before its classification as timberland by the Bureau of Forestry. So the petitioners and their predecessors in interest have been in open, continuous, exclusive, notorious possession and occupation of the said land for agricultural and cattle raising purposes as far back as the Spanish regime. So this is a common description: open, continuous, exclusive, notorious possession and occupation. So we memorize this as OSENCO, no? Open, continuous, exclusive, notorious possession and occupation. Ko, kay in the concept of an owner. Dili ka sa op ba? Ikaw tagiya. So following the doctrine, no, founded in Oracoy versus Director of Lands. What is this case about? Ako lang basahon na, kay giswat man diri sa decision. Private interest had intervened and petitioners acquired vested rights which can no longer be impaired by the subsequent classification of the land as timberland by the Director of Forestry. So there was already private interest prior to the classification. The interest was established even before the classification of the land as timberland by the Director of Forestry. So this is the vested rights defense in this type of cases, no? Vested right. Muna siya itawag na vested rights defense in this judicial title, in this land title cases. Nauna imuhang private interest before pa na-classify as timberland. So on August 20, 1986, the appellate court denied the motion for reconsideration for lack of merit. So wa mo tuo si appellate court. On December 12, 1986, a few months later, the decision of June 27, 1986 attained finality and judgment was entered in the Book of Entries of Judgments. Uy, ano na final man? Yan, abot na lagi gyapon sa Supreme Court. So let's see, no? Interesting kayo. But at this point, kabaw ta, ang defense ni petitioners katong natagaan ng titulo is the vested rights defense. Kumbaga nauna nami, na-acquire na mo, nahimo na ni siya na nami private interest even before the classification of the land as timberland. So muna ilang dipinsa. So ngano naabot sa Supreme Court kung diri pa lang na-attain na day of finality ang judgment and entered into the Book of Entries of Judgments. So it's an interesting episode ang musunod, no? So again, as usual, help me in my advocacy. Share latest updates. Okay? Kanila nga topics. Ayaw na mga criminal law or election law, di man nato na linya. Diri lang. So share updates ani. Link to a gov.ph website. There is no right and wrong update. Basta mo ni ato ang advocacy. This is a co-learning channel and our intention is learning how to avoid land disputes. And if you are already part of a land dispute, try to choose the route where there is a peaceful ending, no? Peaceful way. Kaya labad kayo ang kaso. So you can share, link lang ha, link gov.ph website. Mo na tong email address. I'm not sure kung mabasa. Ako lang i-appeal sa post. It is Juliet Alpha November Romeo Uniform Zulu Lima Alpha Whiskey, johnruslo@gmail.com. So, link latest updates or landmark cases involving real estate law, estate, succession, partition, bahinay sa mga inheritance, last will and testament, land titling, ejectment, squatters, mga cases, those types of topics lang akong gi-request nga link from gov.ph websites or kanang mga CARP, CLOA, agrarian law involving yuta, share mo mga issuances sa government agencies nga kanang mga lisod pangitaon gali bag-o mga 2024, 2025, 2023, share kanang mga kaso sa darab, no? So agrarian cases sa yuta, share. So I will see you in the next video and let's talk further about this case. Okay? So have a great day. Yes.